Hello and welcome back to my channel. I want to start this video by first thanking you all who have shown support, who have subscribed, who have liked, and who have watched my videos. If it's your first time here or second, third time and you have not subscribed yet, please show some support by subscribing down below. There's so much more to come. So I'm calling this Home of DIY. I'm thinking of changing the title of it because we are doing so much DIYs. I just love when I work with my hands and something turns out good, and because I love you guys, I have to share with you. They save so much. You wear personalized stuff and still you get to look good on a budget. Yeah, you gotta spend some few cash chumps here and there, but it will be far much less. So if that's your kind of thing, please make sure you subscribe down below and let me know in the comment sections what you'd love us to create. All right, so last weekend we created some hair bun. So today I'm going to show you how because I've been in that hairstyle the whole of this week and I really loved it. So I'm going to show you how I wear it every morning, and we are going also to see how I made it. So if you want to see that, stay tuned up to the end. Alright, okay, so here I have what you need to wear the bun. You just need the bun. This is what we created. Yeah, it's a crochet. It's really big and fluffy and light. You need the bun, and you also need some bobby pins. And then I put here. So the first thing, we have some elastic. You just put it on, or you first wear your hair up like that, tight, and then you put it on the side with the elastic. I put it on the back, so like this, and then you're just going to tie the bun around. And then put it on a knot, a hard knot, to secure it. So the next step, you're going to put on the bobby pin. So just pick the number you want and just reinforce your bun like so. The good thing with this hair, since it's black, you won't be able to see the bobby pins, so you don't even need to hide them. So just put them all around, like 3 or 4 of them. That will be enough. Here's the third one. Yeah, I think for me that's enough, because it's or we can put the 4th one at the back. Ooh. So that's the 4th one, and we're good. So this is the final look. This is how I've been looking the whole week. Let me show you the back side. See that? Alright, let's get to business. For this project you'll need a needle and a thread, a crochet latch or a crochet needle, a pair of scissors, a weaving cup. I know some people use this for sleeping at night, but it's a weaving cup. So you also need an elastic and the hair you want to use. For this I've used some hairs which I had already worn. I'm actually recycling them. If you're not watched that video, I'll link it above. You can click and watch. They were looking so good, so very good. Yeah, so if you want to use a weave, it's up to you. Just make sure you select one which has natural looking color and curls. which go with your hair. So on to our first step. Using your needle, you're going to sew in, you're going to make a folding on the bottom part of the crochet of the weaving cap and sew that around while putting the elastic in the middle. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, watch closely. This is what I mean. So just sew that all around, and you can make the sewing double, like one way and the other way, and just to make sure that it is secure. Since this thing has so many holes, you want it to be very secure. So that's just what I've done. You will need the elastic since you want it to the hole in the middle in the bottom to be a bit small for securing in your bun, so that it doesn't fall while you're dancing or walking or running your own errands. So that's it. I just completed the sewing in of the elastic. You can see if you pull, the hole allowance there becomes smaller, and that's what we want, like so. You can tie that on your hair. You've seen how we tie that. So let's get into putting on the hair. In the prepping, you will pick your hair, and it usually has a hook on one end. This is what I am talking about. So you're going to cut that off by snipping a little part on that end, and then fold the hair into two and cut again in the middle. So that's what we will do with the hair prep. I ended up using like a whole bunch, since these were two, I think. So I've used like half of them. If you need it bulkier, you can use more hair. If you need it less bulky, you can use less hair. Whatever works for you, girl, go for it. So we are prepping the hair here. You can see what I'm doing, just stamping the loops and cutting into half. Then I'm using this Nivea thing which had my body cream, just to make my work easier. Actually, if you want to crochet more easily, the whole process to be more easier, you can put it between your thighs. That way it's more secure and faster. But for the purpose of showing you this, I'm going to put it on top of this working table. So let's get into it. If you haven't watched my video on how to crochet beginner friendly, you can do that. I'll link it at the end of this video, so make sure you watch up to the end and watch the other video to see how you can easily crochet even on your own head. So that's what we're going to do. If you're using a weave, you don't need a crochet needle. You just need a normal needle and a thread, and you're just going to secure your weave with the thread on your knitting cup. And you can use a knitting cup which doesn't have holes. So what we're doing here is I am picking some hair, putting my crochet needle through some few holes, like 3. Pick your hair, put it on the loop, the loop, pull it through, and then pull the other side of the hair through, like so. You can put it into double knot like I'm doing here, or a single knot. A single knot can also do if you don't have that much time. You can see our hair is starting to look good. Yay! That's really working. The thing with this DIY project, you get to get your own customized hair or stuff, and you can play with it around until you get the final results which you want. desired final result, customized. So that's what we're going to do actually on the whole knitting cup, weaving cup I mean. And yeah, so it's not much rocket science. See here, already we have done 3/4 of it. The remaining bit is just kidogo. It took me around 30 minutes to fully complete the whole bun, so it's not much time. If you're rushing somewhere and your hair is it's not looking that good, you can afford some 30 minutes. Yeah, you can make it look good using this method. So yeah, it saves time, saves money, it makes you look good with customized thingy on your head. I actually loved this. I've been wearing it for a whole week and I'm loving it. So please try it, you'll like it. So yeah, that's all for the demonstration. So just a repeat of the same thing up to the end. So I'm going to show you the final results. This is the end result. I love it. It looks a bit fluffy, so fluffy. If you want it bulkier, you can just add more hairs. It's up to you, girl. So you've seen how I put it on, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys for tuning in and for watching up to the end. If you like this video, let me know by liking down below, and if you have opinions on it, let me also know by commenting on the comment section below. So you could try this at home and let me know how it works for you. Alright then, bye bye for now. I will see you soon in my other videos.